Hello, my name is Clark Finn with Haigler Law Firm. We love fighting or our clients. We are your legal sword and legal shield. They call the CEO attorney Haigler the hunter, because she will hunt down any wrongdoers that come against you. She and her team of attorneys will protect you. Call us at 404-475-2585. Here is what clients say about us.
Specialized in real estate, I was going through a situation and I found attorney Haigler to be in my area, so I immediately reached out to them. They were very efficient, they heard me out, and then they gave me some resolutions and gave me some options that we could potentially do to resolve my case. So that's why I chose attorney Haigler's firm.
And can you please share your experience with the firm thus far pertaining to your case?
Absolutely. My experience has been nothing but great. Every time I need an update, the update comes to my email in a timely manner. They're very nice. They're very efficient at putting out motions and doing things that need to be done to resolve the case. So it's been very great process, and I enjoy working with them, and I couldn't ask for any better lawyers, honestly.
Well, thank you so much, Mr. Gore, for your testimonial today.
Absolutely.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Good afternoon. I'm doing very well on this beautiful Saturday.
Awesome. So yes, today is Saturday, January 17th of 2026. Can you please share your name with us?
My name is Justin Coffin. I work for a legal processing company, and I also have a business to the same effect. I'm an 8-year Army veteran.
Okay. Mr. Justin, and please share with us, why did you choose Haigler Associates for your case?
Well, obviously, no one ever really wants to be in a situation where they're in need of an attorney. But I fell into a very precarious situation where I had to take a claim of action against a government official who I believe was doing some unethical activity against me and a loved one. I was very frantic. A lot of lawyers did not want to take up the kind of the unfamiliar territory of which involved my case. Most lawyers kind of want to stick, understandably, with what they know, the same kind of cookie cutter personal claim and personal tort type of actions. I was desperate. I finally came across Haigler Associates. I looked up Miss Jimmy Haigler, and she not only had a sterling reputation in the legal community, I also know that she too is an Army veteran, and 04, which is a major in the JAG Corps. That kind of impressed me as well. So I went ahead and I took the plunge. Great.
And can you please share with us your experience in working with the Haigler firm thus far pertaining to your case?
It has been phenomenal, and I don't just say that haphazardly. Most times when you have to deal with an attorney, and I have the past 2 years because my situation stemmed out of a nasty custody dispute, getting attorneys to call you, getting their attention once you put down the retainer is almost next to impossible. You probably have better luck looking for a supermodel in a nightclub sometimes. Haigler and her associate attorney, Ashanti Armstrong, have gone out of their way. I have been contacted Friday night for updates, which I just thought was above and beyond for someone to not only be working, but to actually contact a client. Again, please believe me when I say that is a rarity in the legal profession to have people that dedicated to their client's cause and just their client's basic anxieties as these types of situations are going to implement.
Well, thank you so much, Mr. Justin, for your testimonial. And yes, the Haigler firm will continue to fight and advocate for you in your case.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
My name is Ray, and I'm choosing the Haigler Law Firm to handle a discrimination suit for me based on what I could find out as far as how they was rated. In the metropolitan area, they're rated as being one of the top discriminating law firms, and that is the reason why I chose to use them.
Hello, my name is Aida. I was contacted by Mr. Garcia regarding the need to secure legal representation for a matter he is currently facing. After conducting some online research, I came across Haigler's Law Firm. I took the time to read through the reviews and noted many positive experiences shared by clients, which gave me the confidence in reaching out to the office. Thank you.
Good evening. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
You're welcome. So today is Tuesday, January 13th of 2026. And can you please share why did you choose Haigler and Associates for your case?
I chose Haigler and Associates because after talking to numerous attorneys and several, I had a challenging appeals that I needed help with, needed an attorney for, and I spoke with several attorneys, and many of them weren't, qualified to take the case. So, and the few that were, Haigler stood out to me because they seemed like they really cared about the client, and they wanted to fight for the client, and they were willing to do what it takes for you to have a positive outcome with my case.
Okay, awesome. And can you please describe your experience in working with the firm thus far pertaining to your case?
Haigler has been communicative. They always answer a question when I ask, and they were very forthright in telling me all the details about my case that I needed to know, and they were willing to give me updates periodically, with or without me asking, and that really stood out to me because I don't know, no offense to any attorneys, but attorneys don't like to always keep you informed as best you would like them to, but Haigler committed to making sure I was informed without me having to ask them first. So I really appreciated that.
Well, you are more than welcome, and thank you so much for your video testimonial. And yes, the Haigler firm will continue to fight and advocate for you and for your case.
Yes, and that's good to know, good to hear. So.
I chose Haigler & Associates because I wanted a law firm that was deeply knowledgeable in my particular area of law that I had a situation in. From our first conversation, they were very intentional in their approach. They were very knowledgeable. They came across as being very thoughtful about my particular situation. They took the time to listen, understand the complexities of it, and came back with a very practical understanding and strategy for how we would approach my situation. That level of transparency and professionalism gave me the confidence that I had indeed chosen the right partner for my journey, and those are the people that I could genuinely trust. So I'm very happy with my decision to continue with Haigler & Associates.
Hi, my name's Jesse.
And I'm Letty.
We're hoping to have a great experience with Haigler & Associates since they have a diverse practice in law that's perfect for dealing with our current situation.
Hi, my name is Sydney. Several months ago, I encountered a property line issue with one of my neighbors and discovered that I needed a specialized attorney in order to represent me in order to get this particular issue resolved. Upon going through a Google search for specialty attorneys that handle property law, I came across Haigler & Associates, which had very, very good reviews regarding their service as well as communication. I reached out to them approximately a week ago, was able to get a fairly quick appointment, and the representatives have been nothing but informative and communicative, and I'm excited to be working with Haigler & Associates.
I chose the Haigler firm to represent me, and I am very satisfied with my decision. knowledge, commitment, and dedication to my case, and I am very confident that they will stand out in this case and win. I recommend them to you.
Hi, my name is Grace Burson. I would just like to say I love the Haigler Law Firm. I was Googling and I came across them, and oh my God, I was like, ooh, I just prayed that they accept me for a client, and they did. And the guidance I've had was amazing. It is amazing, and I love them so much. Words can't even express. I have such a peace of mind, and I just thank God I came across them. And I would recommend them to anyone with anything that's going on. They have answered my prayers. Thank you so much, the Haigler Law Firm.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good. How about yourself?
I am doing well, thank you. Today is Monday, January the 5th of 2026. Can you please share your name with us?
Sherry Hodnett.
And Ms. Hodnett, why did you choose Haigler Associates Law Firm for your case?
After 33 years of searching and begging and pleading, I reached out to the firm, and they listened to everything that I had to say and offered their help.
Okay, great. And please share your experience in working with the firm thus far pertaining to your case.
Very professional, very prompt, answers your questions, very nice, polite people.
Well, Ms. Hodnett, thank you so much for your testimonial today. And yes, the firm will definitely continue to advocate and fight for you for your case.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
Hi, I am Kimberly York.
I'm Billy York.
We contacted the Haigler Law Firm to take care of our case because we were told that she is the Haigler. She goes after everyone. We got on a call with her and explained our case, and she told us right off the bat that we had a good, solid case and was able to name several laws that were broken concerning our case. We are very happy thus far with the services that they have provided with our ongoing case. They keep us informed at all times, and we are extremely happy. We recommend them to everyone.
So first, initially talking to one of your associates, and he's briefly let me know like what your Haigler and Associate Law Firm was about. I got a very good warm feeling from that. Then initially we looked online and we saw your ratings and we saw the reviews, and we were very, very excited about that because it was very good. Then after initially having our first meeting with you, Ms. Haigler, we was like, oh, we really was happy that we choosing you, your group, your firm to go with. We felt like you were on point. You was very professional. You was on point. You let us know. You asked us questions about what we're expecting from you, like what we want to help our issues out with, and you greeted us with open smile, and you got to know us as well. We let you know. You explained to us what you can do for us, and you asked questions. We asked questions. You answer it, and you let us feel very comfortable with the answers that you gave us. And we was like, okay, this is the company we definitely want to use because she is a go-getter. She's like, she let you know from the start how she is, and then not only that, you gave her several options, which we did had another law firm that we try to work with, and they didn't give us any other option. And we was like, no, this is not for us and whatever. But after initially meeting you and seeing who you are and everything, we was like, you're the one for us. Your law firm is the one for us and everything. And on top of all that, we also explained to my mother, who is Deborah Wilson, who's also a part of this of the issue that's going on. She's with us. We're family. She also let us know that to tell you that she's happy that we chose you and you're aboard to take on our issues and everything. So that's what we chose you for, and we're so happy. I spoke with Audie. He's unable to talk right now because of the fact that he lost his voice at work, but he also felt like you were very on point professionally. You let us know what you can do, and he felt that you also was able to respond very accurately with very good answers, and you explained them very well to where we could understand exactly what we're getting into and what to expect and what the outcome may be. And we love that and stuff. So that's the reason why we chose your law firms, and we chose you.
Good afternoon. Please state your first and last name.
My name is Captain Henry Scott IV.
And Captain Henry Scott IV, why did you choose Haigler Associates Law Firm for your case?
So I'm gonna be honest. I've had some tough run-ins with representation, so I did a very diligent search. The value your law firm represents and the level of expertise you have in a myriad of different areas really made me feel comfortable to go with your law firm.
Okay, thank you for that. And how is your experience with the law firm going so far?
Whew. Let me put this into words somehow. I think the level of detail, not only you, but your attorneys have had throughout my multiple cases that I had with you all, has put me at a point of peace that I haven't experienced with other attorneys. Your level of detail, and I have a very unorthodox level of detail concerning being that my job requires me to have, but your level of detail has been surgical, and that has really made me feel comfortable with the information that you all tell me, and I really respect you all for the diligent work that you all do.
Well, thank you so much, and thank you so much for your testimonial today.
I appreciate you, Attorney Haigler.
Good afternoon. Today is Thursday, December the 18th, 2025. Can you please tell us your name?
Bruce Flippins.
And Bruce Flippins, why did you choose the Haigler firm?
Well, I searched around and talked to several different attorneys, and the Haigler firm seemed to be the only one that was willing to, take the case and do what needed to be done. A few other people would have taken it, but they weren't willing to do the things that needed to be done.
Okay. And can you please share your experiences with the Haigler firm thus far as it pertains to your case?
Thus far, it's been amazing. I mean, they keep me constantly in touch with everything that's going on, day by day or week by week, everything that's going on with the case. And I've actually found out I have actually more than one case with the Haigler firm. I've had 2 or 3 cases that I didn't have a clue about until getting with the firm. So they've been amazing. That's pretty much the only way I can put it. They've been amazing.
Well, thank you, Mr. Bruce Flippins, for your video testimonial.
You're welcome.
Good morning.
Good morning. My name is Mitchell.
And how are you this morning?
I'm doing good.
Awesome. And so why did you choose Haigler and Associates for your case?
I chose Haigler and Associates because I was actually needing an attorney, and I couldn't get any other attorney to acknowledge or return my phone call. And then I got in touch with Ms. Haigler, and we had a conversation and talked about the legalities of the case, and I felt comfortable enough to continue on with her.
Okay. Well, thank you so much, Mr. Mitchell, for sharing your reason as to why you chose Haigler and Associates.
Thank you.
Good evening. How are you all?
Good. Fine. How are you?
I am doing well, thank you. So today is Friday, December the 19th of 2025. And if you all can please just share your name.
I'm Darnell White.
Marion White.
And why did you all choose the Haigler firm?
The good review when I Googled. I had Googled you, and I had told my husband, I said, I think we found somebody, and they got good review because we were just getting like the runaround from everybody else.
Okay, awesome. And can you please share your experiences in working with the Haigler firm this far pertaining to your case?
Oh, we totally feel pleased and absolutely sure that everything gonna go as planned, and we're glad to have y'all to represent us.
Well, great. We're definitely glad that you all found us, and we will continue to advocate for you all and fight for you all aggressively. So thank you both so much for your testimonial.
Thank you.
Thank you for all that you do.
You are
the whole firm. Thanks to all of y'all.
Well, you are more than welcome.